Good afternoon, students. Welcome to English class. Today, we are all going to learn about verb forms. Before going to know about these all verb forms, let us recap the previous class. So first, what is the definition of a verb? See here, a verb is a word or combination of words that indicates action or a state of being or condition. A verb is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject performs. Verbs are the hearts of English sentences. So a verb is a word or a combination of words that indicates action or a state of being or condition. Examples, see their examples. Jacob walks in the morning. The verb is walks. Mike is going to school. Verb is going. Albert doesn't like to walk. Verb is doesn't like. It's a negative. Anna is a good girl. Verb is. And here, types of verbs. There are actually two types of verbs. They are main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Main verbs. Main verbs are classified as action verbs, which are also called dynamic verbs, stative verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs, finite and non-finite verbs. And auxiliary verbs are primary auxiliaries and modals. Primary auxiliaries: be forms, do forms, have forms. Be forms are is, am, are, be, been, being. Do forms are do, does, did. Have forms are has, have, had. And modal auxiliaries are will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, or have to, ought to, use it to. These are all about modal auxiliaries. Now friends, let us move on to the verb forms, the most important concept in English language. Verb forms. So students, coming to verb forms, verbs change in form or tense to indicate whether the actions are occurring in the present tense or occurred in the past tense or will occur in the future tense. So students, basically verbs have four forms. Verbs have four forms. They are: 1. Simple present tense form, 2. Simple past form, 3. Past participle form, 4. Present participle form. Once again, simple present form, which is also called base form, simple present form, simple past form, past participle form, and present participle form. That means here, simple present form, which is also called base form, is just indicated as a V1, but that means verb form 1, verb form 2, simple past tense form, verb form 2, past participle form, verb form 3, and present participle form, verb form 4. That means V1, V2, V3, V4. Students, these verb forms are very important, because these verb forms indicate whether the actions that we are doing are occurring in the present tense or occurred in the past tense or will occur in the future tense. These forms indicates the time of the action. So friends, let us practice. I'm writing the verb sing. S-I-N-G, sing. So friends, whether it is the main verb or the auxiliary verb. Yes, tell me. Yes, exactly, it is the main verb. Next, tell me whether it is the action verb or the state verb. Yes, exactly, it is action verb. Now, for this action verb, I am writing these four forms: sing, sang, sung, and singing. Singing. Observe here. Sing, base form, V1. Sang, simple past form, V2. Sung, past participle form, V3. Singing, present participle form, V4. Yes, this is base form. Sing, V1, simple present form. Sang, V2, simple past form. Sung, V3, past participle form. Singing, V4, present participle form. Like this, to any kind of verb, we can write four forms. One more verb. Yes, drink. I'm writing here drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Drank. Drunk. And drinking. N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Yes, drink, drank, drunk, drinking. Drink, V1, drink, V1, drank, V2, verb form 2, drunk, verb form 3, drinking, verb form 4. You have to remember the names of the tense also. Verb 1, simple present tense form. Verb 2, simple past form. Verb 3, past participle form. And verb 4, present participle form. Exactly. Like this, any kind of verb, whether it is the action verb or the state verb or the auxiliary verb, that means primary auxiliaries or modals. For example, I am taking the primary auxiliaries, B form, is. See here, is. Is the base form. Is, was, been, being. Four forms. Is, was, been, being. Is base form, that means simple present form, V1, simple present form. Was, verb 2, simple past form. Been, verb 3, past participle form. Being, verb 4. Like this. One more auxiliary verb. Has. Has or have, both are called base forms. Have, had, having. So has or have, these two are base forms. V1. Observe here, V1, base form, V1. Had, V2. Had, V3. Having, V4. So friends, like this, we can write any type of verb form. So students here, these verb forms are very, very important. You should learn as many verb forms as you can. Right? Practice the verb forms well. Use them properly. Thank you so much.